Hey, it's Miss Alana working on math, getting smarter and smarter every day, and I know you are too. We are working on today's math problem solving, shopping for fruits and vegetables. Yes, make sure that you have your sheet so you can get started. Let's go. All right, so for this question, before we begin, we need to read and write our standard. That is what topic, what lesson we are learning. Remember, you don't have to write the whole thing. You can, if you want to be awesome like that, you can always just write the keywords in the standard, okay? So let me read it to you. Can you see it? It says, add, subtract, multiply, and divide decimals to hundreds using concrete models or drawings and strategies based on place value, properties of operations, and or the relationship between addition and subtraction. Relate the strategy to a written method and explain the reasoning used. Okay? Again, find all the key words for the problem that we will be working on. Okay? If you need to pause the tape, rewind the tape, do that. Okay? Bam. All right. So for this problem, we are going to be talking about, do you know what those are? Yes, those are oranges. Oranges, sometimes you'll find them in a bag like that. Sometimes you'll find them individually on the counter or like in the little case, or sometimes they'll be in a box. And here's a question. Are oranges fruits or vegetables? Oranges are fruits. That's right. They are fruits. How do you know? Because they have seeds in them, and they are citrus fruits, okay? Citrus fruits are like oranges, lemons, limes. It's like they're in the same fruit family, okay? All right, let's read. Oh, hold on. Before we read it, I got to think about this orange juice that I think I want to make with an orange. You can cut it in half, and then there's that thing that squeeze it out and get some fresh orange juice, better than the bottle at the store. Fresh orange juice, you can just peel it. I know sometimes you might have a hard time peeling it. You might need an adult to help you peel that. Raise your hand if you can peel the oranges yourself. Raise your hand if you need help sometimes with the oranges, peeling it. That's right. Someone helps you and then you don't even share the oranges. You just eat it all yourself. Or sometimes you can cut them into wedges, little pieces, and just suck on it like that. I know a lot of you like to put it in your mouth and make it look like you have like orange lips. That's funny. You can make like orange jam. So many things you can do with orange, but I think the best thing is just eat it fresh. Eat it fresh. Let's read that. A 5-pound bag of oranges costs $4.85. How much does each pound of oranges cost? All right. So imagine that bag has a bunch of oranges in there. And if we put it on the scale, it weighs 5 pounds. Now, when they put it in there like that, the store does not want you to rip it open, okay? They sell it to you in a bag like that, and it's 5 pounds. Sometimes you might see a 3-pound bag or a 5-pound bag or a 4-pound bag, and that costs $4.85 for the whole thing. Now, if we're sharing this with 4 other people, so it's like 5 of us together, and we are going to equally split the money to pay for it, we need to figure out how much each person is going to pay. So how much would 1 pound be? That's what you have to figure out. And to figure that out, use your mind and use your cubes clues. Let's follow the cubes clues. Remember, as you complete each step, check it off. Don't just check it off. Actually, do the step, then check it off. C step, circle the numbers. U step, underline the key words. Then the next step, B step, the box the question. E step, eliminate unnecessary information. And the last step, the S step, to solve and check. Okay? So let's think about that. Bam, in our solve and check box. So if we have a 5-pound bag and we need to split it up into 1 pound, 1 pound, 1 pound, 1 pound, 1 pound, what operation will we do? What operation? Division. All right, so you can divide. You can divide $4.85 divided by 5. Or another way to do it is then you have to figure out what number you add 5 times would give you that. But that might be kind of tricky, although that might be a good challenge for you to figure that out. Remember, $4.85, that goes inside the division house. The decimal goes bloop, straight up. Some of you like to make it go to the left, to the right. No, it goes straight up. All right, so go ahead and work that out. And to check your answer, we do the opposite of division, which is multiplication. That's right. So multiply the answer that you got with 5, and you should get that $4.85. Remember, or you can actually even add it. Add it 5 times to see if you got that answer. Remember, the decimal has to be there. It has to be in the correct spot. Otherwise, your answer will be wrong. When you're done finding your answer, make sure you write your solution, a nice complete sentence. If a 5-pound bag of oranges costs $4.85, then a pound of oranges costs blank. You do not have to write my sentence exactly, but make sure that you write a good complete sentence. Bam, can you see that? Can you see that? All right, remember, again, if you need to pause the tape, pause the tape. And when you're done with that, you're done. And guess what? You're going to write your I can statement. I can use strategies to add, subtract, multiply, and divide decimals to the hundreds place. Now, obviously, if you didn't do all these operations, you didn't have to write all those operations down. You can say I can divide and multiply. I can use strategies to multiply and divide decimals to the hundreds place. So whatever operations you did, write that down in your I can statement. So we are done with this one. Remember, there are 5 videos for you to do. If this is your first one, find the other ones. If this is your last one, then bam, you are done. Before I go, Lalana sprinkles for you. Give me some sprinkles too. That's right. We're getting smarter every day. Work hard every day. Always do your best. Be awesome and amazing. I'll see you in the next video.